Guys, it's Pro Will, and today we'll be doing the Extreme Snowstorm Challenge. We'll be competing in 3 different challenges, and whoever has the least amount will win a $100 sled, and the loser will get a punishment. First round, we'll be taking turns on the sled, and whoever gets the furthest gets a point. All right, guys, I'm going now.
Oh dear.
Oh, she passed Nolan. At least I'm up.
Oh. Oh dear.
Guys, I'm currently trying to do that.
Hey guys, we're gonna have to review the footage to see if Wilson or Ava went further.
After reviewing the footage, Ava beat me by 8 inches. We're gonna be sledding head first into this wall. 3, 2, 1.
Alright guys, I'm giving Wilson's crash a solid 8.5 out of 10. I'm gonna have to give the twins trick a 5 out of 10, so Wilson, those points belong to you. Okay.
Bonus round before the final round, we're gonna be doing a race to that tree over there. Yeah, to that tree. 3, 2, 1, go. I won that, guys! 3, it's gonna be a belly flop challenge.
Alright, Nolan, let's see your trick or belly flop. Alright, I'll give that a 7. Alright, Ava, let's see your trick or belly flop. Wow. Alright, Wilson, let's run it.
Alright, okay, I need to get a really good start.
Alright guys, I'm giving the round 3.2 Wilson. That was a good trick.
And that makes me the winner. Yeah! 2 will be battling it out to see who has to do the punishment.
Alright guys, the round 4 punishment for the twins is they will have to be doing a snowball fight. And go! Oh!
We successfully covered them in snow, so I think their punishment is done. Hope you guys enjoyed watching another Pro Will episode, and like and subscribe, and remember to just send it.